Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on a graphics card only to feel disappointed by the performance? What if you could get incredible gaming power without emptying your wallet? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best value for money graphics cards of 2026. Stay tuned to discover the ultimate budget-friendly GPU at number 1. Number 5, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Super. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super has earned its place as one of the best value for money graphics cards in 2026 by delivering premium gaming performance at a price that is far more accessible than flagship models. Built on NVIDIA's advanced Ada Lovelace architecture, this GPU offers an impressive combination of speed, efficiency, ray tracing capabilities, and AI-powered enhancements that make it an excellent choice for serious gamers and content creators alike. One of the biggest reasons the RTX 4070 Super stands out is its exceptional 144p gaming performance. Modern AAA games can run at ultra settings with smooth frame rates, providing an immersive and visually stunning experience. Many titles are also playable at 4000 resolution with the help of NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology, which uses artificial intelligence to generate additional frames and improve overall performance without sacrificing image quality. Ray tracing is another area where the RTX 4070 Super excels. Gamers can enjoy realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows that significantly enhance visual realism. Unlike many previous generation cards, this GPU can handle ray tracing workloads efficiently while maintaining strong frame rates. Content creators also benefit from the card's advanced video encoding and rendering capabilities. Whether editing videos, streaming gameplay, creating 3D models, or working with creative software, the RTX 4070 Super provides fast and reliable performance that helps increase productivity. Power efficiency is another major advantage. Despite offering near high-end performance, the card consumes relatively less power than many competing GPUs, resulting in lower temperatures and quieter operation. Pros: outstanding 144p gaming performance, strong 4000 capabilities with DLSS 3, excellent ray tracing performance, efficient power consumption, great for gaming and content creation. Cons: more expensive than budget-focused GPUs. Not as powerful as flagship RTX 50 series cards. Premium features may be unnecessary for casual gamers. For users seeking a graphics card that combines premium features, future-ready technology, and excellent value, the RTX 4070 Super is one of the smartest purchases available in 2026. Number 4, AMD Radeon RX 7800 XD. Taking the number 1 position on our list is the AMD Radeon RX 7800 XD, a graphics card that perfectly balances performance, memory capacity, and long-term value. In 2026, it remains one of the strongest recommendations for gamers who want exceptional gaming performance without paying flagship-level prices. The RX 7800 XD is designed primarily for high-quality 144p gaming, and it performs remarkably well in this role. Modern AAA titles run smoothly at ultra settings while maintaining excellent frame rates. Even demanding games can be enjoyed with impressive visual quality, making this GPU an ideal choice for gamers who want a premium experience without overspending. One of the card's biggest strengths is its generous RAM capacity. As games continue becoming more demanding, having additional video memory helps maintain smooth performance and improves longevity. This gives the RX 7800 XD an advantage over several competing graphics cards in its price range, especially for users planning to keep their systems for many years. AMD's Fidelity Super Resolution technology further enhances value by increasing frame rates while preserving image quality. Combined with strong rasterization performance, the card consistently delivers excellent results across a wide variety of games. Whether playing competitive shooters, open-world adventures, racing simulators, or RPGs, users can expect a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Another factor contributing to the RX 7800 XD's popularity is its competitive pricing. It often delivers performance close to significantly more expensive graphics cards, making it one of the best performance per dollar options on the market. Pros: exceptional 144p gaming performance, Large RAM capacity for future games, excellent price to performance ratio, strong rasterization performance, great long-term investment. Cons: ray tracing performance is behind top NVIDIA competitors. FSR support varies by game. Higher power consumption than some alternatives. The AMD Radeon RX 7800 XD earns the #1 spot because it offers the ideal combination of afford, power, future-proofing, and overall gaming value. For most gamers in 2026, it represents the best balance between price and performance, making it the ultimate value for money graphics card. Number 3. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 offers a significant step up from the RTX 3050 and stands out as one of the smartest purchases for gamers seeking strong performance at a reasonable price. Designed around NVIDIA's advanced data Lovelace architecture, the RTX 4060 brings impressive efficiency, modern features, and excellent gaming capabilities to mainstream users. One of the card's biggest strengths is its exceptional 1080p gaming performance. Most modern games can run smoothly at high or ultra settings while maintaining strong frame rates. For gamers who want a visually impressive experience without spending premium GPU prices, the RTX 4060 provides an ideal balance between cost and capability. The RTX 4060 also benefits greatly from DLSS 3 technology. This feature uses AI-powered frame generation to significantly increase performance in supported games. As more titles continue adopting DLSS 3, RTX 4060 owners can enjoy higher frame rates and better gaming experiences for years to come. Ray tracing performance is also improved compared to previous generation budget cards, offering more realistic visuals without severe performance losses. Content creators can benefit as well. The GPU includes powerful video encoding capabilities that help with streaming, video editing, and content production. Whether recording gameplay or creating videos for YouTube, users can enjoy faster workflows and smoother performance. Another area where the RTX 4060 shines is power efficiency. Despite offering strong gaming capabilities, it consumes relatively little power, resulting in cooler temperatures and quieter operation. This makes it attractive for compact gaming systems and users who value efficiency. Pros: excellent 1080p gaming. DLSS 3 supports strong ray tracing performance. Efficient power consumption, great for creators and streamers. Cons: limited advantage for heavy 4000 gaming can be expensive compared to some AMD alternatives. Memory bandwidth limitations in certain workloads. Overall, the RTX 4060 delivers outstanding value by combining modern NVIDIA technologies with excellent gaming performance at a mainstream price point. Number 2. AMD Radeon RX 7700 XD. The AMD Radeon RX 7700 XD has become one of the strongest value-focused graphics cards for gamers seeking powerful 144p performance without entering the premium price category. AMD designed this GPU to provide a compelling alternative to NVIDIA offerings, delivering excellent frame rates, generous memory capacity, and strong overall gaming value. At 144p resolution, the RX 7700 XD performs exceptionally well across a wide variety of modern titles. Games such as Call of Duty, Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Assassin's Creed can run at high settings while maintaining smooth and enjoyable frame rates. This makes the card an ideal choice for gamers who want better visual quality than standard 1080p gaming. One of the card's major strengths is its RAM capacity. Modern games continue demanding larger amounts of memory, and the RX 7700 XD provides enough headroom to help future-proof gaming systems. This advantage becomes increasingly important as game textures and graphical requirements continue to grow. AMD's software ecosystem has also improved significantly. Features such as Fidelity Super Resolution FSR allow users to increase performance while maintaining good image quality. Combined with AMD's optimization tools, gamers have access to numerous ways to maximize their experience. The RX 7700 XD also offers strong value compared to competing products. Gamers often receive performance close to higher-priced alternatives while spending less money, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts who prioritize performance per dollar. Pros: excellent one for OP gaming, strong price to performance ratio, generous RAM capacity, FSR support, great long-term value. Cons: ray tracing performance trails some NVIDIA cards, higher power consumption than certain competitors, FSR adoption varies between games. For gamers focused on maximizing performance without overspending, the RX 7700 XD represents one of the most attractive graphics card options available in 2026. Number 1. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 remains one of the most popular budget-friendly graphics cards for gamers who want reliable performance without spending a fortune. Even in 2026, the RTX 3050 continues to offer excellent value for entry-level and mainstream PC builders looking to enjoy modern games at 108p resolution. While it may not compete with high-end graphics cards in raw power, it delivers a balanced combination of afford, efficiency, and useful NVIDIA technologies. One of the biggest advantages of the RTX 3050 is its support for real-time ray tracing and DLSS technology. Ray tracing improves lighting, shadows, and reflections, making games look more realistic. DLSS uses artificial intelligence to boost frame rates while maintaining image quality, allowing gamers to enjoy smoother gameplay in demanding titles. These features help the RTX 3050 stay relevant despite being a budget-oriented GPU for sports titles such as Fortnite, Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Apex Legends, and Rocket League. The RTX 3050 delivers excellent frame rates that are more than enough for competitive gaming. It can also handle many modern AAA games at medium to high settings when paired with a capable processor. This makes it an attractive option for gamers upgrading from older graphics cards. Another major strength is power efficiency. The RTX 3050 consumes less power than many higher-end GPUs, making it suitable for systems with modest power supplies. This can reduce upgrade costs and simplify installation for users who do not want to replace multiple components. Pros: affordable price, supports ray tracing and DLSS. Excellent 108p gaming performance, power efficient design, great for sports titles. Cons: limited performance for demanding one for 4OP gaming, low of RAM compared to some competitors, not ideal for maximum settings in modern AAA games. For gamers on a tight budget who still want access to modern NVIDIA features, the RTX 3050 remains one of the best value graphics cards available in 2026.